Just a little more off this side for perfect symmetry.
Vroom! Watch out, Tulips! The race car is coming through!
Wow, that is a very fast... That's great, sweetie. Just keep the car on the path.
Look how fast it goes, Mom!
The master at work, I see. I brought some fuel for you.
Thanks, honey. The Golden Bloom judging is only a week away.
Your sterling silver is looking quite formidable, Kasy.
Thank you, Eleanor. Your delphiniums are very tall.
Morning, Kasy! Kasy! Need any of my super secret fertilizer?
I'm all right, Leo, but thank you for the generous offer.
Mom, look! My racer got a dent. Can you fix it for me?
It's just a little scratch. It gives it some character.
The garden looks perfect, Cass. Maybe we can take a break?
Almost perfect. There's no time for breaks, not right now.
Time for the super duper mega jump! It's gonna be epic!
Gardeners, could I have your attention for a moment, please? We're having a community cleanup tomorrow.
I hope this isn't going to take very much time.
We have a wonderful new addition to this year's competition.
Ooh, a new addition. Maybe it's for biggest zucchini.
I'm sure it's lovely. I just need to finish this section.
A special prize for community spirit, for collaboration.
Collaboration? But my garden is designed for solo work.
Maybe it's a good thing. We can all work on it together. Okay, team, let's make the biggest, friendliest garden ever!
Look, Eleanor isn't interested. She knows what's at stake. If I move the daisies, maybe I can collaborate on a path.
My car needs a garage, Mom. Can you draw one for him here?
Not now, Ben. Mommy has to figure out this new garden plan. Leo, could you help me? It's for our community spirit.
Of course! Anything for the team! Whoops, a little bit.
It's fine. It's fine. Everything is just perfectly fine.
And now for the world record jump over the purple flowers.
My sterling silver! Ben, what did you just do?
I'm sorry, Mommy. It was an accident. I didn't mean to.
I told you to be careful. This was for the competition.
Kasy, he's just a boy. It's only a flower, after all.
It was more than a flower. It was perfect. Oh no. The wind is so strong. My poor...
What a disaster! It looks like a giant tossed salad out here.
Everything is ruined. All that work for absolutely nothing. Of course. Eleanor's garden is fine. She probably planned it.
Let me help you with that, honey. We can fix it together.
I need to do this myself. I'm the only one who knows how. I will not be defeated by a little bit of bad weather. Eleanor? What are you doing in Leo's garden plot?
I saw it was broken. I didn't want him to be sad.
You've been helping everyone? But why didn't you say?
It's easier this way. I'm not very good with people.
I thought you were just focused on winning.
Like me. Winning is nice, but seeing things grow, that's better.
Okay. It's not perfect, but it's still alive.
My racer is still broken, Mom. I think he's very sad.
Let's fix him up then. We can make him better than new. There. Now he has a cool racing stripe.
A victory mark. Wow! Thank you, Mommy! He's the fastest car in the world!
Now that's what I would call a golden bloom moment.
Leo, I think I see a way to fix this. May I help you?
Two heads are better than one, especially with these vines.
I have an extra verbena. I thought it might look nice here.
Oh, that's very kind of you, Kasy. Thank you. This is wonderful to see. This is true community spirit.
It's not what I planned, but I think I like it even more.
This is the official racetrack. No flowers are allowed here.
A banked turn. Good thinking, Chief. That'll add speed. I made you a thing for your climbing beans. It's sturdy.
Leo, that's so thoughtful. Let's find the perfect spot.
Just gonna pivot right here and... Whoa! Whoa! What was that?
Leo, look out! The trellis! It's all gone. Everything is completely ruined.
Kasy, I am so sorry. I didn't see the ramp there.
My racetrack. It was my fault. I'm sorry, Mommy.
It's okay. It was an accident. It's not your fault.
Kasy, are you all right? I know how much this meant to you.
It did mean a lot, but you all mean so much more to me. Shh, it's okay. We can build a new racetrack tomorrow.
Oh, Kasy, your beautiful zinnias. I am so very sorry.
Thank you, Eleanor. I guess that's the end of the contest.
Perhaps it doesn't have to be the end of it.
Let's just get this cleaned up before the judges arrive.
I brought some things. If you'll let me help you, Kasy.
Eleanor, I don't know what to say.
Yes, thank you.
I'm here to help fix this. I won't trip this time, I promise.
Thanks, Leo. Let's work together.
We can make art with these. A flower picture for everyone.
Let's not hide the damage. Let's make it part of it.
Ah,
It's a sculpture, a monument to...
Happy accidents.
steady does it. No more wobbly surprises from me today.
Well now, what do we have going on over here, everyone?
We're just doing a little collaborative community gardening.
I think I've seen everything I need to see right here. This year, the Golden Bloom was incredibly hard to judge.
The Golden Bloom Award goes to Eleanor Vance.
I couldn't have done it without my friend's verbena. But we have one more very special award to give out today. For turning a disaster into art, the Spirit Award goes to...
Wow! It's bigger than the other one! We won the best one!
He's right. I think we really did win the best one.
To happy accidents and to friends who help you clean up.
He took a whole tomato. I saw him carrying it away.
The victory lap for the purple racing team! Vroom!
That's my champion. My wonderful, car-loving champion.
It turned out to be a beautiful day, didn't it, honey?